Palm Springs magic. Oh, I just love it here. I was here just a few months ago helping out Marlene. All right, do you guys need a beverage? Okay,
what kind of beverage?
Whatever
a strong
you want.
one.
We are in a bar. When siblings Marlene and Kenny inherited money from their brother Lenny, I helped honor him by finding Marlene a beautiful house in Desert Hot Springs. Look at this, isn't this spectacular?
Beautiful.
It is.
The most exciting part of it is that Kenny, her brother, wants to move down here as well. Kenny is bringing his partner, Jim. I'm so excited to see them all, help out with their plans, and of course, catch up with my fellow artist, Marlene. Knock, 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 knock. Hi, my love.
Hi.
How are you?
Very good. How are you, besides being wet?
Oh, you know, state of mind. Hi, my darling.
Hi, how are you?
Doing
Good to see
wonderful.
you.
Good to see you, too. That was a very romantic
Great
hug.
photogenic one. It's good to see you.
This is so exciting. So exciting.
And
Look what you've done here. Look at you. Oh, you're really good.
thank you.
Beautiful.
Definitely a cozy space here.
You guys, I want to get you guys in a cozy space, too. I hear all about it, but I need you to invite me to have a
we're
cup
ready.
of coffee because I need some
Oh, yeah,
caffeine.
yeah.
It's all good. I know
Okay.
you. I get you. You guys want some coffee?
Yeah.
All right. Marlene, your house looks amazing.
Thank you.
You took my advice. The curtains are hung all the way to the ceiling. It's so beautiful.
Like a hotel room.
Exactly,
You know.
exactly. I love it. So, Kenny, you've loved it out here.
Yeah, since we were here last week, we've been out here a few times.
And you guys live in Tucson right now, right?
And we like it there. It's a wonderful area, but
Yeah.
we wanted to be close to Marlene. Frank, I'm honest to God truth.
That's great. What would your brother think?
He would be here too.
Yeah. All right, tell me about this house.
It'd be nice to have a pool in the
Yes,
backyard.
yes, it would.
But
She's
don't-
going to be nearby.
Just a small pool,
Yeah.
a spa, whatever.
3-bedroom. It's something a little more individual.
A little more unique?
individualized.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Do we want like mid-century vibes? Do we
You know,
care about the style?
mid-century is nice.
Yeah.
It's okay, but we are mid-century. We've been there, done that.
We are mid-century.
But I need to have it done. I don't want to deal with contractors and
that.
rebuilding and
You
redoing
can find
this
a
and
house
that.
like that.
All right, budget.
Well, probably $650 maybe.
Do I have a little wiggle with that?
Maybe a bit. Yeah,
Okay.
I can be reasonable.
Wonderful. This is really exciting. Now, would you say that Marlene is your inspiration?
Frankly, we don't have a lot of family left. I want to be close to her.
I love that.
I hope so.
And we've never been that close, but why not? If,
Boom, boom, boom.
Kenny and Jim are happy to live anywhere in the Coachella Valley, as long as it's an easy commute to Marlene's place. I've got just the man to help me find a suitable home. Oh, yes, please.
Isn't that nice?
My charming Michael. All right.
Good to see you again.
Good to see you. Cheers to the caffeine and being in Palm Springs.
Welcome back.
It is so lovely here.
You're fortunate because you arrived right after the rain, and now all the mountains are snow-capped.
I see this.
I mean, palm trees and snow-capped mountains, perfect. Come
It's
on.
really quite unique. So last time I saw you, I was shopping for Marlene, and now, as you know, I'm shopping for her brother. He is really open to anywhere in the valley.
This is right down the street from Marlene.
Ooh, that'll be fun to see
Very
his
close.
reaction.
3-bedroom, 3-bath, $699, a little bit more, but
Okay.
you know.
I asked him if I could take a wiggle with the $699. That's more of a wobble. I don't mind. I don't mind wobbling.
This one really caught my eye because it's in Cathedral City. And the pool's been
it's
completely resurfaced.
It's adorable. It's more. It's kind of a Spanish. Kind of
Spanish
vibe.
style.
Love that.
Right. This window is a little bit bigger.
Okay.
4-bedroom, 2-bath. You may like the price at
Yeah.
$575.
Oh, look at that. This is lovely. The pool is beautiful.
This one here, typical Palm Springs look, coming in at $628. It's 3-bedroom, 2-bath. That super modern glam look inside.
That is very glam.
Right.
It might be a little too glam for them, but I'll check it out to see if I like it for myself.
There you go.
Thank you so much. This is amazing. Give me some love. I'm going all out with the first property. Cactus Court is absolutely gorgeous and just a stone's throw from Marlene. Now, it is on the pricey side, but the house is almost brand new. and everything inside is included. Yeah, honestly, this is like a coupon. I'm saving the money. Hi.
Hi.
It's a little moist.
Yeah, it is.
A little wet.
It's just a little wet. All right, so we are in Desert Hot Springs, a whole 6 minutes away from your sister's house.
That's
It's
too
interesting.
close.
It's different. I see a lot of modern look and kind
Yeah.
of a mix of houses.
Remember when you said I could do a little wiggle or a wobble?
Sure.
I did a wobble.
Uh-oh.
So
Okay.
it's a little over your price range, but let me tell you all about it first. Cactus Court has 3 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms, has 1,918 square feet, all the furniture, all the dishes, everything comes with the house.
Oh my God.
You don't even have to hire moving trucks. I'm saving you money
Wow.
at $699.
Wow.
You guys
And
want
we'll
to
see
see it?
if the roof leaks. Hopefully.
Let's get
We
out of the
shall.
rain.
All right.
Let's do this.
It doesn't hurt to look.
It doesn't hurt.
Right.
I think you're gonna fall in love.
Yeah.
Here we go.
Yeah, let's go.
Look at this pool.
Okay.
that.
Oh, that's a
Is that nice?
pool. And the landscaping. Wow.
Very
I'm
glamorous.
impressed.
Looks great.
Right? Want to see if the house matches?
Different.
Shall we?
Yeah.
Here, let me
Maybe there's
get
a pool
ahead
in
here.
there too.
And the-
All right, my loves, come on in.
All right.
Whoa.
Whoa, is right.
Whoa.
What do you think?
I love it. It's incredible.
Isn't it amazing?
Really
Very
nice.
beautiful. All the open window.
Yeah. I like
that.
Space. Oh my God.
Kitchen is neat too.
Let's go in there.
Yeah, let's.
How about it?
Oh,
This is really nice.
Incredible.
Modern lighting.
Beautiful,
Nice.
huge island with quartz countertops. You can set hot things on here without having to protect it.
Nice.
nice cupboards.
Yeah, look at everything because
And
this
they're-
all comes with the house.
And they're real wood.
Yeah, they're actually real
Crazy.
wood. Let's sit down, my darlings. Beautiful dining area. How you guys feeling here?
I mean, look what I'm looking at.
I know.
Even though it's raining, but all this light.
You know, I tend to be a very serious person just the way I am, but I feel happier here. I really do. Just looking around, it just feels more light, more easy.
Yeah, we have a few bedrooms to look at.
I'd love to see them.
This easy floor plan has 2 light-filled guest bedrooms, each with an ensuite, and one has access to the pool. But the best view is reserved for the gorgeous main suite.
Oh, cool. Whoa. Nice.
Isn't this
Nice.
great?
Oh my God.
Huge bedroom. Look
like
at
the
the
light color.
size of these doors that go out to the pool.
Your sliders, not
Yeah.
door walls.
Oh, that's a big
sliders.
I don't mind a
Slider.
door wall. That sounds neat.
He's
Who
hearing
said,
that
who
from
said,
you.
who
It's a
said
Midwestern
door
wall.
wall?
Me.
Literally, it's a wall, yet it's a door at the same time.
That's
In
so
Detroit,
weird.
this would be called a door wall.
He's gonna check
Hopefully.
out the bathroom. Get into it. It's quite large.
Oh, my
look,
goodness.
Look. This is nice.
Oh my God.
Wow, that's huge.
It probably could fit 4 people in there.
Would you try?
I would.
Just for the sake of trying, maybe. I don't know.
Let's go look at that
Oh.
pool,
Yes.
shall we?
Oh, the pool.
Come on out.
The nicest room in the house.
It's so great. It'll be the most used room in the
cool.
house,
Well, I could picture myself in it. Really.
especially the hot tub here.
Oh,
you
yeah.
want to
that
feel
cool?
what it's like?
Yeah, after you.
The good old sibling love. You guys like the property?
Interesting,
Yeah.
very nice.
It
All
is.
right. So tomorrow,
Maybe be a bit less.
I can find you something a little less, a little bit more traditional.
Yeah, probably.
Yeah.
You want to come back to my house? We can have some coffee.
You say that to all the boys. I would love to. I'm gonna pick up one of your paintbrushes. Let's go painting.
All right.
Huge.
Sounds good.
Scorpion Basin is kind of an amazing house. I'm excited to see what they think of this house. I know they're gonna love it either way, but is it gonna be the one? Who knows? How are you guys?
Fine, good morning.
Great.
The
Great.
weather.
Oh my God, sunshine.
Makes all the difference.
It does. This is why you moved to Palm Springs. Well, let me tell you a little bit about Scorpion Basin.
Ooh.
Fun name. Like, right? It's got 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. Beautiful size house at just over 2,000 square feet. Sits on a beautiful lot, has everything you guys asked for. And the price is really gorgeous at $630,000.
Oh.
Shall we?
Yes,
Let's
we
get
shall.
into it.
Shall
Come
we?
on, my
Yes.
loves. Well, I mean, look at this landscaping. This is so
Very-
pretty.
very
Right
catchy.
here with
Yeah.
this tree.
Are you ready for this?
Yeah, I think so, yes.
Right?
I am.
All right, come on in. Come on in, my cutie pies.
Wow.
Isn't this wonderful?
Oh my gosh.
So we walk into a huge space.
Yeah.
Massive
Really,
space.
it is
So
nice.
Very
open,
nice.
Open space.
very open. All right, let's go check out the rest of the house.
For you.
Yeah.
Here we go. Here we are.
Oh, wow.
Wow.
This is cool or what?
Family room attached to the kitchen. Cute, right?
Very nice.
I am obsessed with this fireplace.
Yeah.
Me too.
Love that stone. And
Jeez.
it looks real. I assume it is.
It is real. Good. It's actual real stone.
It's real.
Yeah.
Shall we go into the kitchen?
Yes.
Oh, yeah.
Please.
Look how
Wow.
beautiful
Another
this is, you
high
guys.
ceiling in here, too.
Wow, what a stove. What a
The
stove.
stove is a little
Whoa.
bit like double oven,
Oh,
like
wow.
huge hood. This is what dreams are made out of. It really
Yeah,
is.
It's a house we saw yesterday. I was so impressed with all the door walls.
Yeah.
But they're here.
I'm gonna have to get up on this lingo. Now, is a door wall only a slider or is it a French door as well?
No, not
No.
a French door.
Oh, not a French door. All right, let's go check out the bedrooms.
That sounds
Let's do
good.
that.
Let's do it.
Here is the main bedroom.
Oh,
Another living room. Oh, my
It's
God.
huge.
Yeah.
Wow.
Oh, my gosh.
Wow. And the water?
Got it all.
Another view of a pool.
Yeah, I know.
All right, why don't you guys check out the
Oh, my
bathroom?
God.
Wow, nice.
Get in there. It's
Yeah,
beautiful.
it's the same.
Oh, nice.
Isn't that nice?
This is the real thing also.
Yeah.
Look at this tub. My
And the
gosh.
tub.
Are you guys tub people?
Not really,
I
but
haven't.
I think this has jets. I really like this.
Good. I like that you like this. The guest bathroom is just as cute with beautiful finishes, and the 2 guest bedrooms are filled with light and garden views. And of course, the backyard pool is a stunner.
Wow.
Isn't this fun?
Very beautiful.
It's beyond that. It's great.
Look at that water.
Look at the landscaping.
yeah,
all of it.
Oh, the waterfall.
Hot tub
Oh
waterfall
my
feature, give it to me.
God.
It's so pretty out here.
Oh, it
isn't
is.
It is very beautiful.
We have covered areas here. We have larger trees than we did at Cactus Court.
Beautiful, too.
What can I do different for the house I'm going to show you tomorrow?
Stick with
Oh, yes.
cozy,
Yeah.
down to earth, comfortable.
Wonderful. Diamondback Ridge is a beautiful house. It's a completely different look of the other 2 houses. So listen, the more you look, the more you know. It's quite windy today.
Good morning.
Yes.
It is?
Yeah,
And just a bit cold.
this wind is crazy.
Yes. And
Yes.
cold.
So we're back in Desert Hot Springs, closer to your sister.
Yes.
Yeah.
The views of the mountains are so pretty.
Wow.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
Snow on them.
Isn't that crazy? You never think you would come to the desert and see snow-capped mountains.
I wouldn't have known.
All right, let me tell you a little bit about the house.
Okay.
Diamondback Ridge, it's got 4 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. It's just shy of 2,300 square feet.
God, nice.
Delicious. And the price is really
That's today.
sensational, way under your budget. $575,000.
Cool. Sounds
Yeah,
good.
Right?
Sounds good.
Well,
Yes,
Call me Coupon
yes.
Dave. Let's go.
Okay, sounds good.
It's freezing.
Oh,
All right.
Oh.
Shall we?
yes.
Push out.
Yes.
Here we go. Come on in.
Wow, this is impressive.
Right?
This is nice.
Wow. This is
Nice,
beautiful.
Nice. Like the height.
Oh, yeah.
The height of the ceilings are
nice.
really great.
And a fireplace.
And a fireplace,
Got
yes.
it.
Wow.
You know, just imagine this without the furniture, because the furniture is huge, and
Yeah.
there's a lot of it. Let's go check out the rest of the house, you cutie pies. Come on in.
Oh, I like this openness.
Wow.
Isn't this
Very-
great?
Comfortable.
Oh, man.
cozy.
Wow, this
Looks-
is very open.
Looks welcoming.
Huge kitchen.
Nothing
I
that
like
will
the
melt.
countertops.
This is beautiful,
Oh, that's
really.
beautiful.
I love they did a thicker edge.
Yeah.
Oh,
You know?
that is the biggest
Sturdy.
Yeah.
I've seen.
It's a great entertaining space.
Really?
It's like the dining room is
Right
right,
there.
here. Shall we go check out the bedrooms, my
Yes.
cutie pies?
Yes.
Okay,
All right, come on in, my cutie pies. Our first bedroom.
Oh, nice size.
It's a good size.
Yes.
And is
Nice
that
ceiling
is that
there.
a slider?
This is, no, it's not a slider, it's a
Door wall. Yeah, right.
While the other 2 guest bedrooms don't have door walls, they're spacious, just like the main suite.
4 bedrooms, 4th bedroom.
4th bedroom, isn't
Yes.
that fun?
Whoa.
Wow, this
whoa,
is
whoa.
very nice.
I'm starting to like the idea of 4 bedrooms.
It's
The
kind of nice,
possibility.
right?
Yeah.
Yeah, because then you can have 2 sets of guests here and then still have your office, which is really kind of attractive. All right, guys, why don't you guys check out the bathroom behind you? See what you guys think
wow,
about it.
this is very nice.
Give it a little wander.
Oh.
Double sinks,
yeah,
which is nice.
Very nice.
Big closet.
Nice. It's big.
This is very nice.
You guys want to check out the best? I saved the best for last.
What's that?
The pool. All right, here we are.
I love it.
So private.
wow.
Cool pool, if you will.
I agree. It is a very cool, very sexy
Really
pool.
nice pool.
What I really love about this backyard and I really appreciate is the mature landscaping. Look how thick the stalks are.
Oh my gosh.
The trunks of those are.
Lots of privacy.
The backup.
Very nice.
Yeah, super private. Do you guys like the houses?
Yes, yes, yes.
All of them contenders?
I would say so. All possibilities.
Take all the time you need. The longer you take, the longer I stay. But just give me a call when you guys are ready to.
Stand by your phone.
Okay.
I'm gonna stand by it. I'll stand
haven't-
on it if you want.
I love
All right,
it.
I'm gonna walk
I
you guys
love
to
it.
the car because I want to make sure you guys don't blow away. You guys are hilarious.
You think so, really?
I know so.
Oh,
Do you think
wow.
you're funny?
In a funny kind of way.
Here we go. You guys need some cocktails?
Several.
I know. We'll get you several. Do you guys have fun?
We did, yes.
Definitely.
Yeah.
I did
All
too.
right.
Oh, exactly what these guys
Thank
need.
you.
Oh, that's me.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you for bringing me out here again, and it's so beautiful to see all three of you again.
Thank you for having us.
Thank you.
So we started our wonderful journey in your neck of the woods, in Desert Hot Springs,
Yes.
Cactus Court.
Very modern,
Yep.
sexy,
Yes.
open.
Access from bedroom to pool.
Yeah.
All the way around.
Really nice.
Very nice. And it's certainly a consideration was the furniture and everything came with it.
So nice. You buy it, you get everything in it.
But that being said, the price was a bit up there. That was a concern.
It was a little pricey. So I wanted to show you something within your price range, but in Cathedral City. Such a
Yeah.
cute house, Scorpion Basin.
Had extra space
Yeah.
in that one, in that particular home. It worked really well.
We walked in the door, I felt this is a real possibility, for sure.
And so I wanted to take you back up to her neck of the woods. So Diamondback Ridge, beautiful home, closer to your sister.
First of all, the 4 bedrooms, that's a consideration, extra room. Like the cathedral ceilings, backyard, the landscaping around it, the bushes.
Yeah, so it was very nice.
Was it a tough decision?
To a degree. What do you think?
I'm dying to hear where we're gonna hang our hats.
Yes, I'm
Okay.
dying to hear
We
too.
ready?
Right? Don't keep me in suspense, Kenny.
Or
You're
me
killing me.
either.
I know. Such a tease.
Scorpion Basin. It
I
is.
love that. Wonderful house in a wonderful neighborhood.
We walked in and we just felt at home.
You're gonna love Cathedral City. It's so beautifully located to get anywhere quick, including to see your sister.
I want to see
Exactly.
him. He's got the pool.
That's right.
Oh,
And
yeah.
you're invited anytime.
That's so sweet.
There'll be a small fee, but we'll be all right.
God.
Cheers to small fees.
Cheers. Nice houses and small fees.
We made an offer on Scorpion Basin for $610, kept our fingers crossed, and it happened.
Wow,
Welcome
thank you
to your
very
new
much.
home.
Thank you.
The big stop is that now we can finally go into our home.
Come on in.
We want it to happen, and we're excited. All right,
Come on in.
Wow, this is it, Jim.
just the way I remember it.
We belong here. It was very welcoming. A loving feel walking in the house. It just fit. Can't wait to cook.
Right here, poolside. It's going to be perfect.
I think my brother Len would be very happy
Hi, welcome.
and proud of us for making this move, not being afraid to make a move. It can be difficult.
Is this gorgeous? Or
Can you
what?
believe this?
Whoa!